Alright, let's dive into the wild world of machine learning, without any confusing jargon. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about how computers can learn, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break it all down in a way that's easy to understand and maybe even a little bit fun. Imagine teaching your computer to spot patterns and make decisions just like you do, except it never gets tired and can crunch way more data than any of us. It's like having a super-powered assistant that can sift through mountains of information in seconds, finding connections and making predictions that would take humans ages to figure out. That's basically what machine learning is all about. It's about giving computers the ability to learn from experience, improve over time, and help us solve problems, sometimes even before we know they exist. So, how does it work? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, or AI, that helps computers learn from experience, kind of like training a puppy, but instead of treats, you're giving it data. The more examples you give, the better it gets at understanding what you want. Just like a puppy learns to sit or fetch, a computer learns to recognize patterns, make predictions, or even play games. The more data it gets, the better it gets at figuring things out. Think of it as practice makes perfect, except computers can practice millions of times faster than we can. That's why machine learning is so powerful in today's data-driven world. Now, there are three main types of machine learning. First up, supervised learning. This is the most common type, and it's where most people start when learning about machine learning. Picture your email's spam filter. You tell it, hey, these emails are spam and these aren't. Over time, it learns the difference and starts catching spam on its own. It's like teaching your computer by showing it lots of examples, so it can spot the difference between good and bad emails all by itself. It's called supervised, because you're giving it the right answers to learn from, just like a teacher with the answer key. The computer uses these answers to check its work and get better over time. Next, unsupervised learning. No answer key this time. It's a bit like moving to a new college and figuring out friend groups. You don't know who's who, but you notice people who hang out together, right? The computer does the same thing. It looks for patterns and groups things that are similar, even if nobody tells it what those groups should be. That's clustering, grouping things by similarities. Unsupervised learning is great for discovering hidden patterns in data, like finding groups of customers with similar shopping habits or organizing photos by what's in them. Companies like Netflix or Spotify use this to recommend new shows or songs based on what you like. They analyze your choices and group you with others who have similar tastes, so you get suggestions you're more likely to enjoy. The last type is reinforcement learning. This one's a bit different, and it's super cool. Think of it like playing a video game. The computer tries different moves, learns from its mistakes, and gets better scores over time. It's all about trial and error, making choices, seeing what works, and getting rewards for good decisions. It learns by trial and error, getting a little reward every time it makes a good move. Over time, it figures out the best strategies to win the game or solve the problem, just like you would if you kept practicing. This is how self-driving cars learn to navigate through traffic, or how robots learn to play soccer. They keep trying, learning from mistakes, and improving with every attempt. So why should you care? Well, machine learning isn't just for scientists or tech companies. It's becoming a part of everyday life. And understanding it can help you make smarter choices, whether you're using apps, shopping online, or thinking about your future career. Machine learning is everywhere. Your social feeds, your banking apps, even the movies Netflix suggests. It's behind the scenes, making things work better and more efficiently for you. It's shaping the world around us, and understanding the basics opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Whether you're into tech, business, or just curious about how things work. Who knows, maybe you'll use machine learning to solve a problem in your own life or even start a new career. Alright, that's your crash course on machine learning basics. You've just taken your first step into a much bigger world. If you want to dig deeper, there are tons of resources online just waiting for you. From free tutorials to interactive courses, there's something for everyone, no matter your background. Thanks for hanging out, and who knows, maybe your next big idea will use machine learning to change the world. The possibilities are endless, and your journey is just beginning.